Welcome back. We are going into module 2 now of the how-to guide to sales funnels. Again, I'm Christy from MarketerTribe.com. And now that we understand what a sales funnel is and how it can help your business, we're going to look at, okay, so how do you actually structure that funnel then to achieve your goals? And so we're going to look at four different main goals actually that you might be looking for with your funnel. And so the first one we're going to look at is getting leads. So if your main goal with your funnel is to grow your email list, get more leads, how do we do that? And really, it's going to be a simple 2-page funnel. Okay? And your first page is the lead capture page. I'm sure you've seen lead capture pages out there. And, this is a typical example for you. It's a way that you can entice your audience to give you their email address. And so a lot of times, you'll see people opting in for a free ebook or a video, maybe a checklist or a cheat sheet. If it's something cooking related, they could be opting in for recipes, anything like that, right? And so that is called your lead magnet. That little freebie that you can give away to encourage people and incentivize them to give you their email address. That's your lead magnet. If you don't have one, you can always have people opt in to learn more, but it's going to be more effective if you're giving them something in exchange for their email address. It's just always going to help, push them over the edge to decide, okay, yeah, I'm going to go ahead. That's worth giving my email address for. So you want to send them to this lead capture page. It can be pretty simple. I actually think it's better the shorter that you can make the page. You want to get people curious. That's really your goal, is getting them curious with this. Don't give them all the answers, because if you do, they won't have a reason to opt in, right? So tell them just enough that they're like, oh, I want to learn what that secret is. I want to discover the missing ingredient, whatever that looks like for your business, make them curious so that they have to opt in and find out what the answer is, what the solution is. So you start with that lead capture page, and then very simply, you follow it up with a thank you page. And so, a couple key things on your thank you page are obviously thank your audience. They took action, they did what you wanted. Thank them for that. And then make sure you follow through whatever it is that you promised to give them. Right away, make sure you acknowledge that they opted in for something and that you're going to deliver, even if that's in their inbox. Then make your second line after thank you, check your inbox for the thing that they opted in for, and that way they know they can trust you. And then if you have a video or an ebook or something, go ahead, have that link for it right on your thank you page, again, so you're following through right away with them and really establishing that trust and that relationship with them. So very, very simple. To grow your list, you start with a lead capture page. You give them a reason to want to opt in and give you their email address. And then you thank them for taking action, right? It's very intuitive. I'm sure you've been through this process with other sites online. And so these are the benefits of using an opt-in funnel. Obviously, it's going to help you build your email list, right? And so we talked about in module 1 how important that is, that you get to follow up with them. You will close more sales over time. You'll have your own audience that you can reach out to without having to pay for traffic, for ads, and, increased reach and engagement on social media platforms. So that's your key reason to have an opt-in funnel, is building that email list and creating your audience that you get to connect with. And then you build trust with them. Just like I said, they're trusting you with their email address, and that you're going to follow through on that next page and give them the ebook, the cheat sheet, the video, the content that they want. And so when you do that, you're building trust right away, even such a small little thing, right? But every little interaction that you have with your new lead will help. And when they do this, when they opt into you, they are creating a micro commitment. They're not even going to be aware of it, but they're actually creating this emotional connection with you. So you and your audience are connecting. They're creating this micro commitment, and then they're going to be more likely to want to open your emails, to hear your offers, and to eventually buy from you. Okay, so there's, multiple layers going on when you have this opt-in funnel, and they're helping you and they're growing your brand and your business. So again, lead capture page, thank you page, and that's it. You are on your way to growing an email list. And in the next video, we're going to look at how you can start closing sales with a funnel. So I will see you there.